Hey there neighbors, a lot of us spend about half of our days at our desks. So today we're going to show you how you can give your setup a major upgrade with these 5 great products. First up, we've got the Flexis Spot E7 Pro Plus Standing Desk. If you're not familiar with the benefits of using a standing desk, marami siya. Standing for a few hours each day helps lower the risk of heart problems, relieves back pain, and boosts your energy levels, among others. The E7 Pro Plus is one of the highest rated standing desks because it can move from a regular seated height to a standing height with the touch of a button. You can even pre-program your desired height so that it's even easier. Yung touchscreen control panel niya may charging port din, so you don't have to reach far to charge your devices. The E7 Pro Plus also has a built-in cable tray to help you keep things neat and tidy. But for me, the most impressive part about this desk is how sturdy it is. It can handle a whopping 440 pounds of weight thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame, which also makes the desk extra stable. You can say goodbye to wiggling. Speaking of sturdy, our next desk upgrade is the Muso E600 Pro Ergo Chair, which has a pretty strong foundation of its own. The steel foot base provides superior stability, so you won't feel like you might fall over when you lean back. It also supports up to 150 kilos of weight, which is a lot more than you might find in less premium ergonomic chairs. Speaking of ergonomics, sitting on this chair feels like a dream. The lumbar support really makes sitting a lot easier on your lower back, while the ultra-durable mesh material keeps you feeling fresco even on super stressful days. The headrest and armrest are adjustable in multiple directions, allowing you to customize the chair to fit your body shape perfectly. And lastly, the recline angle is adjustable from 90 to 125 degrees, so you can lean back and relax exactly the way you want. Now, if you watch a lot of our videos, you'll know that I care a lot about lighting. And the third item on this list really upgrades your desk lighting setup. The WHISS Portrait Smart Desk Lamp looks simple at first, but it's probably one of the most versatile desk lamps you can get. It's all about the lamp head mismo, which can switch from horizontal desk lighting to vertical portrait lighting for things like video calls. It's got dual light zones on the top and bottom of the lamp head that works as a main light and an ambient light respectively, and because they're individual light zones, you can control the ambient light zone separately. That means you can turn both zones on to brighten up the room or turn off the ambient light if you want to be super focused on something. And because it's a smart lamp, you can control it with your phone or smart assistant. You'll be able to adjust the brightness and temperature of the light so you can get exactly the kind of lighting that you need. Or you can have the lamp do it for you. It can detect the ambient light in your room and automatically adjust settings to minimize eye strain. It's even got a motion detector so that it can turn on when you're at the desk and turn off when you're done for the day. Our next upgrade is actually a line of products from Anker, their Prime series of chargers. The Anker Prime series is their top-of-the-line charging solutions collection, featuring extremely high-capacity power banks and ridiculously speedy chargers. The Anker Prime power banks come in 3 versions: 12,000 mAh, 20,000 mAh, and the incredible 27,650 mAh. To give you guys some context, that means that the smallest power bank of this series carries enough juice to fully charge almost 3 iPhone 15 Pro Maxes. But it's not just the capacity that makes these impressive. Mabilis din sila mag-charge ng devices. The biggest version of the Prime power banks can even charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in less than 30 minutes. Each of them has a digital display that gives you real-time information on the remaining charge, input, and output. So imbis na 1 dot, 2 dot, or bars ang basehan mo sa kaya pang i-charge ng power bank mo, you can see it as 25, 30, or 48%, etc. The Anker Prime wall chargers naman have a high efficiency output of up to 67 or 100 watts, depending on the version that you get. This means faster charging times, and with Active Shield 2.0 safety system, you can be sure that your device has extra protection against freak power surges. The last upgrade on our list is the Vader 2-tier dual monitor stand, which is really helpful for people who need 2 monitor setups like designers, content creators, and programmers. The stand is wide enough to accommodate 2 18-inch monitors on its own, or any combination that adds up to 36 inches. You can also use it to elevate a single ultra-wide monitor to a comfortable eye level. What I really like about the design is how it makes your desk more organized and efficient. Its 2-tier design lets you place devices and accessories on a built-in shelf while tucking away your keyboard and mouse underneath. It's also got 4 built-in USB 3 charging ports on the side, along with its own wireless charging pad for your phone. Plus, it's also just really aesthetic with its curved edges and dark gray aluminum alloy body, making your desk look extra poggy. And that's it for today's episode. I hope we gave you some pretty cool ideas to upgrade your desk setup at home. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please do comment down below. And while you're there, like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week for another episode of Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. See you, neighbors!